Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day's going wonderful. I'm so glad you're joining me. Well, I have something exciting to share with you. We're going to take a look at this. This is the Spellbinders 12 Days of Stitchmas. And we're going to open this package together. And I also have another. This is the Stitch Along kit that I want to share with you also. So if you like stitching on cards, you're going to love the Stitch Along kit. Let's take a look at our 12 days of Stitchmas. If you guys have seen the advent calendar, this is similar to that, except for this has stitching dies, which makes it super fun. Let's see. Oh, it's on the larger side. This is one side of it, and then this is the other. And each one of these windows has a stitch die. On day 8, where's day 8 at? This day 8, if you guys check out the Spellbinders blog, I'm going to be sharing a project using day 8 along with the preceding days. I might mix and match the preceding days, so you might see a little bit of number 1 in there, number 2, and actually Spellbinders has an event over on the blog. So for day 1, there's a project being created by another designer. So I hope you guys get to check that out. There's lots of inspiration using the 12 days of Stitchmas. This is what the backside looks like. Kind of get a sneak peek of the dies that are in here. So I hope you can join us at the Spellbinders blog for this event. Now I'm not going to open any of these because I want it to be a surprise. So join me for day 8 over at the Spellbinders blog. And then, now we're going to take a look at the Stitch Along kit. This is available at Spellbinders. It comes in this wonderful zipper pouch. And inside the Stitch Along kit, there is lots of card making elements. This is Spellbinders gold glitter foam. It looks like you get some brushed gold and silver cardstock along with lots of other colors of cardstock. So you get lots of cardstock. These are 8.5 by 11 sheets. And then you get some embroidery floss, and this is the nice quality. DMC is a very good quality of embroidery floss. And all of these colors coordinate with your cardstock. I'm super excited about this. So that comes in the Stitch Along kit. Also included is this stamp and die set. It's called Stitch with Love Bobbin. So if you like to create bobbins, this will work perfectly for that because you have a die. I love that. You also get a full package of small white self-adhesive foam squares. These are my favorite. I use these so much. You get some fancy threads. I have some of this, and I have to tell you, this is wonderful thread. This is gold and silver, and it's from DMC too. And you get 2 full spools. Also included are some embroidery needles. Perfect for threading. And then you get some sparkle. You get the Spellbinders Color Essential Gems. This is Spectrum AB. I love these two because these are so universal because of the color. It goes with anything, and it picks up any color combination that goes with it. I love that about those. You also get this. Now this is going to be so fun to use because this is a needle threader. And sometimes I have a problem threading my needles, and then I'm glad that they included this in the kit also. And then lastly, you get a little special gift. This is the Spellbinders Needle Minder. This is really heavy for one. This is a needle minder, okay? And it's called Pocket of Posies. It's super adorable. And it looks, there's the magnet on the back side, but this is to prevent your needle from getting lost while you craft. So if you even threaded or not threaded, if you can see here that is a strong magnet. It's holding those needles on there. So I love this. I think that, and it's really pretty too, which makes it really nice. So you get the whole shebang. So this is the Spellbinders Stitch Along kit. and I'll be using some of the cardstock and some of the thread on my project. I thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day.